All right, everybody, what is going on today? We are on the river exclusively chasing shoal bass as we get ready for the last tournament of the season. So I've got a few days of practices, and what we're going to do is just nonstop fish catching action, chasing these big shoal bass. And right now, as I'm recording this, Labor Day weekend is coming up. So to celebrate, guys, we're going to do a little sale on the North Georgia Fisherman Shop. We've got a few of the Bass Green hats and the Grandma's Biscuits hats in stock. We've still got a few shirts. So use the code GORDITAS20 to get 20% off of your orders. And we're gonna include a free sticker for you guys. And we're also gonna throw in a pack of soft plastic baits randomly selected. So again, go ahead, check out the website. I'm gonna let it roll right here, northgeorgiafisherman.com. Use the code GORDITAS20. You're gonna get 20% off. You're gonna get a free sticker and you're gonna get a pack of soft plastics for you guys to enjoy. So before I say anything else, let's get straight into the video and let's go chase some gorditas. Favor ain't fair, and that's why you should ask for it. Lord, show them that favor ain't fair. Oh, got one. Feels a little okay. That's good. That's a good one. That's a good one. He's got two with him. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that just happened. That's a big one. Alex, I'm on a big one, Alex. Yeah, you're not gonna believe what just happened. I'll tell you in a second if I can get him in. Yeah, I've got him. It's just, he's a big one, dude. I was not expecting this at all. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my freaking gosh. Did you guys just hear what I just said? I just said favor ain't fair, and I said, Lord, show them. Guys, I'm a big person of faith, and I believe in using my channel or whatever platform I have to glorify God, and I'm not ashamed of it. And I literally just said, favor ain't fair. I said, Lord, show them. And like 2 casts later, this is like a 19, potentially 20-inch shoal bass. Dude, I can't believe that just happened. Oh my God. All right, guys, that's an Angler Award shoal bass. Oh, got one. Little one again. As soon as it fell. Let's see if I can get him off. Oh, got one. Right here. Just let the jerk bait sit for a little bit. Oh, and he's gone. Oof, I need to get like a small net. Got one. You got one? Oh. Yeah, he's gone. I let him go. He was not that big. Got one. Yo, Alex, got one. There you go, guys. Ooh. Got one, bro. That's a pretty one. Got one. Feels good. Got to get them out of the current. Yep, that's a better one. Yo, yo. This is so crazy. How are there no fish here? There's got to be fish here. Oh, I got one. Little guy. There. Another one. Small one. Another one. What? Small guy. He's nice. He looks, oh, his teeth are sharp. Golly. Jorge. Got one. Good one. Yo. All right, on the shaky head. Another one. That's a pretty one. That's another one. Little shoaly. Little spot right there. All right, another little shoal bass. All right, guys, starting the day with a small largemouth. All right, guys, another one. So, small shoal bass. Let's just measure him real quick, get an idea. Jorge and I have a little bet going on. Jorge just called me, said he got a 1975. So he's whooping my tail right now. Golly, 12 incher. 12 incher. That one. Oh, he had a bigger one with him. Oh. It's another 12 incher, maybe 11. Another 12 incher. It's a rough day.
Making the tournament schedule. I'm just glad I'm fishing them, and hopefully they keep putting us on good places. And
yeah, I think that's the biggest thing. Like, if I doubt, you know, we only have 3 listeners this whole show, that with Bassmaster, you know, they were able to hear it. It's don't listen to the loud.
All right, guys, listening to Serious Angler, the podcast. The bite got so slow.
Regardless of what you guys
I had
do,
to
because they simply
replay an episode I would listen to before.
2, love to see a bass caught. 3, love. If anything, like, the part that drives me nuts is people don't try to pitch in some ponds and, you know, send you some places to go have some fun, beat up on some really dumb fish.
yeah, I'd love nothing more.
Because that wraps up our 3rd final guest for tonight. What a show. Long one.
Yeah,
Long one, 2.5 hours. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Obviously,
Wow. Oh gosh, I just hooked into one. Feels good. Oh, he's okay. He's not big. Small one. Just caught me off guard. Another small one. I'm guessing there are a few good big fish in here, but they're going to be really hard to find. Oh, got a fish, guys. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, that's it. We're coming in here tournament day. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a monster. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. I need to get him out of the water. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys. Okay, all right. We got to make this happen. We got to figure this out. Guys. Oh, that's another 18. Ah, ve, mira.
Y luego, ¡pum! Se enganchó.
Míralo. Ahí está, ahí está, ahí está. Ahí, ahí le pone, ahí, 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 ahí. ¡Ay, lo agarré, lo agarré! ¡Lo agarré, lo agarré! ¡Yes! ¡Ay, Dios mío! ¿Qué te dije? Sí, papá. Oh, my God. La red, la red. Ay. No, no, Jorge, agárralo, agárralo, se cortó la línea, agárralo, Jorge.
¿Dónde?
Agárralo, agárralo, dámelo, aquí está, aquí está, aquí está. No, no, no. Oh, he's right here. I see the crawl in his mouth. Oh, he's gone, he's gone. Guys, that was like what, 20 inch? 19 inch?
I don't know.
Guys, that was a 19-inch fish. I watched him eat the TRD crawl. Oh, I cannot believe that just happened. Otro. Bueno, bueno, bueno. Got a good one, guys. Got a good one on the Psycho Dad Oh, throwing the crawl. Just gotta let him tire it out. I think I've got him pretty good. I think I know what I'm doing for this tournament. I've got a pretty good idea of where I need to be. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. We've been missing good fish all day, and look at that. I know exactly what I'm gonna do on tournament day, so I'm excited. This just confirms it on the black and blue Psycho dive. Oh my God, yeah.
¿Cuánto?
20.
Bien cerrada la boca.
Espérame. 20.75. 20.70, 20.75, guys. That's almost a 21-inch shoal bass. That's almost a 21-inch shoal bass. That's an awesome fish, guys, right there. 20.75. Beautiful. Everybody came out here for practice today. The river is filthy, it's dirty. I couldn't hit the spots that I wanted. Plus, I forgot 90% of my baits and my recording equipment and my SD cards, but make the best of your day. We just caught my PB 21.5-inch shoal bass, guys. Look at that beautiful thing. She is gorgeous. It was such a good fight in the current.